Hey everyone, today I am going to be talking about mega menus. That sounds really kind of boring, but it's also very large for your Shopify store. It's an amazing little feature that really kind of allows customers to see that, you got multiple products without having to click on shop and go into a landing page or a collections page. This is a good way of just kind of getting things out there. So I want to show you really first what a mega menu is, and then I'll dive in and show you how easy it is to configure one. So on Shopify, I actually have the Shopify Booster theme open right now, which does have some mega menu capability actually built in. But today we're actually not going to be using a theme mega menu. We're going to be using an outside app. It's called Buddha Mega Menu, and I'll go into that in a second. But to kind of show what a mega menu is, it's right here. If you're looking at the screen, you got different categories without having to go to a collections page. You can pretty much go to men or women or kids or accessories and just choose t-shirt or hoodies or whatever it may be. This to me is still not the captivating visual piece that I'm looking for. So I'm actually going to take this a step further. And the app that I'm going to use again is called Buddha. This is actually their demo right here. They allow you to do multiple types of mega menu options. So you got the tree option right here, which, again, lets you like drill down really quickly without having to go to another page. You're still on your home page. I'm, my wife or whatever, and she's about to go buy some new shoes. That sounds about right. You're gonna be able to go here and go to pumps and see all your different pumps really quickly. And their app is actually a test page, so we did not get to some jewelry. Just kind of a fair heads up. But that's what the tree setup is. It's allows you to drill really quickly into different things. Then there's the simple version, which is really cool because you got your categories here. You have, sports, home and garden, home services, skis, all that kind of stuff. Then you can actually even try to put some, um, essentially some marketing around some of your best sellers. So you got your best sellers here, and you can show that, one of these products is sold out. Or even if you have the functionality on Shopify to show like remaining items, so there's only 3 left or whatever, you can try to push those products even without having to go to that page. So really powerful right there. Newest products, all your new things that are right there. And then you can actually put in 2 different images here or 2 different products here to kind of, again, put some focus on those specific products. So that's what the simple setup looks like there. And then you have the tabbed, which sounds a little, or even looks a little bit kind of, complicated, but it is really powerful because it actually allows you to see imagery right here. So I can do link lists with images, and without even again having to go to that collections all page or to an actual product, I can go get that oversized bibbed blouse, which will look so good on me. Without even having to really go anywhere, right? Like, I literally go into tab, see what image I like, kind of do my shopping right here without even having to actually kind of focus multiple clicks and get to the product that I really wanted to take a look at and then add to cart. So again, the name of the game is simplifying conversions and the lowest amount of clicks needed to get someone to add something to the cart. In this case, it's literally a one click. I went to tab, I get my product that I want. That's actually what I'm looking for. I'm adding to cart in one click, which is really cool. They also have a really cool little feature for contact us where you don't have to have a whole other page to contact, which allows you to kind of do a quick support type of ticketing. You can pretty much put your name, email, message, and send that message right from the menu. So no need for another contact page and things of that nature. So just to kind of show you guys how this is working on a live site, we got this site here, which does essentially medical and prenatal vitamins and all that kind of stuff. and we put in our mega menu for different categories. So we're using the different categories piece. If you're looking at the simple, you're actually more on the tabbed approach here. And you go to tabs, you can go to shop, you can go to heart health. There's an image here. You can, pretty much go to whatever product you want. And when you click on that, you're getting to that product detail page. So there's a lot of information here. That's actually the way we're using this app. For you to set it up, it's really straightforward. It's really cool. So you're going to go to the Shopify App Store and you're going to go install the mega menu. It's called mega menu. It's not anything other than that. If you just type in mega menu, it's by Buddha. And once you have that installed and you have, the charge approved, I think it's $29. And I can clarify that in a second. You're going to get this really cool little initialization, kind of where you can go in and configure the app. So we're now installing the app here. I like that graphic that they just did. And then once you go in, you're going to see your Shopify navigation right here. And you can go in and add an item or configure an item pretty straightforward. You can see these little icons here. That's going to allow you to edit. If you want to add an item, you go in here. You can search for a specific icon if you want to. Just for visual aesthetics, name that. So this could be, I don't know, learn, and what page that's going to go to. So you're going to go to like all collections there. And then that's pretty much it. You hit OK, you have that item there. So really easy to play around with the Mega Menu app here. When you go into menu or even more, you can see like what seems to be the problem. You can change the messaging here. Anything that for the business information, you can change that content. You can change the contact fields. If I want to have this field as well, I can. And then if I go to FAQ, again, here's the different, tiers. I can make this a tabbed section, a simple section. So when you're building out your mega menu, I'd keep that demo open. That link is Buddha, BUDDHA -megamenu.myshopify.com. That way you can kind of see which tabs which, and then you go here and you can choose your different type of submenu type and, pretty much configure it on the fly. That's pretty much it. They have a tutorial on the bottom. You can add and design a mega menu. Click here to place the design of that mega menu, and that's it. Like, it's gonna pretty much replace the navigation that you have on your site now. If you guys have any questions, definitely shoot those over to us. Put them in the comments. We'll respond back to you. That's it for me, and I appreciate you guys watching this video. Thanks.